You know our mission statement.
Yeah.
Cleaning up the community through cannabis.
We're trying. Yeah. Awesome. Can I take a picture of your hat? You got smoke? Yeah.
We here. I need my bag, man. I need my bag ASAP. You see it. We outside, man. Look, we posted. About to tag y'all right now.
I'm at Bud Up at the dispensary here in Brooklyn, and they like what we are doing with the Mylar bag, so they gave me a few bags. So each time I visit, they're gonna give me a few bags. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this one. And this one. I'm not kidding right now. This guy over here is fucking shedding tears. He's just crying. He's a homeless man. He's crying because, you know what? The people of New York City don't give a fuck about him. He doesn't exist because he's homeless. And this is the problem with New York City. I bet you this man once had a job. Not a decent job, but a job. At least he was trying. And you know what? The city failed him. And now he's over there in that fucking corner over there crying. That's so sad, man. So there's two officers standing right there, and two people just hopped the subway, and they did nothing. Just watch. Watch and observe. I've been standing here watching them do it, and they did nothing. It's like they're selecting people. You see what I mean? They're selecting people. Just watch. They do this all the time. They select people, which is not cool. Everyone is equal. I'm not saying that they should do their job because the MTA does suck. But we just saw someone hop the subway and she just ran by and they did nothing to her. Just watch. It's going to continue to happen. I find that ironic. Look, watch. Here you go, see?
Yo, sir. Why you look big?
Teenagers. They know. They know that. Come on, man. They've been in New York.
Are you together? I'm good. Nah, I got it. Wait, this is mine.
Interesting tell. Wow. Now, I don't know about you guys, but you don't get officers like this every day in New York City. I'm gonna be honest with you. At first, I was being very problematic, I guess, because last time I was at the station, I was the one being selected when I paid my fare. And I was documenting. But keep this in mind, everybody. That was a cool gesture. You know. So, but still, there's been like 3 people before them that hopped the train. They did nothing. Come get it while it's hot. Right here. Part of 104. And if you know the dispensary, what's the cross street? Manhattan Avenue. And, yeah, I don't really know, actually. I'm on 13 Leopard. Manhattan Avenue. Look at this. I just tested this. This works. Look. Power's on. Look at this. Found it walking. This is exclusive. This is the lemon pop edition. Look at that jacket. That jacket's fly. I bet you what's inside is even higher. What's up, everyone? You know me as Panda, but you know me as the collector. So I spend my time in my days that I have spare to look for these mylar on the streets of New York. I got my team and family over at the WeedCyclers, and mind you, I met these guys a long time ago when they first started out. A long time ago, friend. So I'm glad that I'm part of this little family to clean up the streets in New York City, everyone. So keep this in mind. Like, we do this because we love this city. We like what the city has to offer. We want to try to keep it as clean as possible. But also, we want to make a statement that just because we consume cannabis doesn't mean that we're a bunch of idiots. Right when I was sitting, there's a piece of mylar right there. Oh, my Panda. What we got here? Real exotic. Oh, look at this one. Moon Man. Okay, you're taking me to the moon, right? All right. Blast me all the way, my friend. I'm locked and loaded. Every day I be my Lauren. Every day I be my Lauren. Look who that I found Lauren. Woo! Another jury find. What's good? What's up, everyone? Panda here. We be cycling. We cycling.
I'm sorry.
Look at this. You can even find a nice molar right here in the heart of Williamsburg. Come on. You don't need to go shopping at no Home Depot. Come to Williamsburg. Just fix it properly. I guarantee you, it just needs to be fixed. And guess what? The person that probably owned it doesn't know how to fucking fix it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Sunwayfoto FL90RGB, and this has been 3 years later so far with it. And now, mind you, this is a 14 watt, so you cannot use it in the daytime. You only could use it in low light, like this situation here, or indoor, or in your studio. But for the price tag of $129, can you justify the price? No. With that said, everyone, it does have its shortcomings. Charger indicator or values are not properly accurate. Then there's no wireless controller to this at all, so that means going through the menu system is troublesome. So with that said, everyone, this has been my own experience with the FL90 RGB. It works, but professional usage, no. Here's another problem with the Sunwayfoto FL90 RGB. Not once, but this is like so many times I have to like screw these screws down. And now look, I just finally lost one. Yeah, they're not very good screws. They don't stay in very long. You gotta keep screwing it down. And mind you, you have to go to like a Walgreens or a hardware store to buy a special little tool, because they don't provide a tool for this.